How to check notification history on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily check notification history on Android. So let's get started. So first thing what you need to do is just head over to your settings of your device, and before we proceed to the checking of notification history, you need to enable the developer mode option on your Android device. So to enable it, you can basically come over to your settings and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option about phone. So simply select it. So once you inside the option that is about phone over here, just tap on this software information and simply click on this bold number for more than 7 times. And as you can see, I'm already enabled developer mode, so there's no need. So I'll simply head back to my settings page. Now as you can see at the bottom there is a developer option. Now I will simply select this option over here and simply search in for the notification history. It will be somewhere around here. As you can see inside the notification section there is a notification history. So it's advanced settings of notifications. So just tap on that and basically click on this notification history once again, and you should see all of the history from your notifications just like this. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.